What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another Bang on the channel. In today's video, we got a little special video because it's one of my most requested videos from you guys, which is how I afford my M5 competition at 21 years old. The fact that I even could say that I have the M5, I know I always say this in every video, but all I can say is thank God and shout out to all the supporters who've been with me for a long time, or people who want to show support right now. It couldn't have been possible without you guys, and it definitely 100% couldn't have been possible without God, and I'm really thankful. But let's get straight into exactly how I afford this M5. For those that do not know, I have my own online business, KBTuning. My closest friend and I started it back in September of 2023. So it's been almost 2 years since we had this business open. Our Instagram has over 60,000 followers. Our TikTok has almost 10,000 followers. We scaled it to a pretty good amount. And all I can say is thank God again. This couldn't have been possible without God, and it definitely couldn't have been possible without people showing support. But we're basically in the automotive business where we sell parts. Like, one of the main cars we sell the parts for is a 8th generation Camry. Headlights, taillights, bumpers, body kits, interior, basically cosmetics for the car. That's one of our most best sellers. But I'm gonna tell you guys something that I haven't told people on TikTok or Instagram, so you guys have the exclusive. We are going to be hooking up this M5 with full carbon fiber exterior, lip, side skirts, trunk spoiler, maybe even diffuser, some other couple carbon fiber parts. But if you have an F90, any F chassis, M car, G chassis car, and you're looking for carbon fiber parts, hit us up on KBTuning's Instagram or check out the website. We'll hook you guys up. We try to be as fair as we can with the prices, because not only do we offer one-on-one service with basically installation or helping out, making sure the fitment is perfect and making sure the product is good, and no other brand offers, which is lifetime warranty. So let's say you're driving with your lip or whatever parts you get with us and it just breaks for some reason, we'll make sure you guys get a replacement out, and if we have to come out of pocket, that's what we will do. But we scale the brand. It's really crazy. Now, I know a lot of people think that we're drop shipping, but drop shipping is basically where you let another company handle all the shipping, tracking, the warranty, the returns, all that good stuff. Somebody else handles that for you. You just put your price on top of their price. But that's not what we do. We have our own branded products, and we order in bulk for ourselves, which a lot of people want to say it's still drop shipping, but it's not, because we ship it out and we handle all the returns, warranty, everything ourselves directly with the customer. But people want to say what they say. It is what it is. You know, it's not a big deal. Everybody got an opinion. I have no problem with it. But yeah, another way I do make my money is social media, TikTok and YouTube. I get paid off those mainly at the moment. And I think my most I've ever made off one TikTok video was almost $5,000, which is a crazy amount for just a 1-minute video on TikTok. It's absolutely crazy. That video has almost like 2 million views. I don't know why they paid me $5K, because it is crazy. But all I can say is thank God. As always, thank God, thank God. I cannot even believe this is even possible. We have a bunch of videos with over 2 million views, close to 3 million views. So you guys can imagine how much I've been making off social media. But having the online business social media is definitely crazy. And I would recommend doing this too. If you want to get your dream car and make some content on it, trying to make some money, go ahead and do it. Put that risk in, because at the end of the day, this car is going to force you to pull money out of your ass to pay for it and make you work harder. We're going to be doing a bunch of more vlogs and POV drives and basically a whole bunch of stuff with the M5. And like I said, guys, in the beginning of this video, we are going to be putting some crazy stuff on the M5. Stay tuned. Subscribe and post notifications on. Like the video if you guys are enjoying. And yeah, comment something you guys want to say, or if you have any questions, let me know. But we're going to keep doing our thing. Keep posting content. People want to hate. It is what it is. Right now, all we're focusing is trying to make some more money, enjoying the cars, going to the gym. And yeah, if you guys have the similar lifestyle, I want to take care of my parents, take care of the whole family, and just live the life amazing, help people as much as I can. If you guys have any content ideas, let me know in the comments down below. I appreciate you all for watching today's video. It is kind of a yap video, but you guys were requesting it, so I yapped. I told you guys exactly everything. But let me hop in the exterior. For those that don't know how the car looks, let me show you guys. This is the interior. We got full Aragon brown. Let me just flip the camera. Interior is a full Aragon brown. We're not broke. We didn't get the, you know, the non-leather upholstery up here. I'm just kidding. Obviously, you're not broke if you can get an M5. But as you guys see, full Aragon brown leather upholstery. That's a $3,000 package, and it's amazing. We got the Bowers & Wilkins sound system, which is another $3,000 package or something around that. But I love this interior. Take a look at it. We got massage seats in the front, which that is part of the executive package, which is another couple $1,000s. We have the driving assistance plus, which allows you to park by itself, change lanes by itself, which is another $3,000. And then we also have the competition package, which lets you get these competition seatbelts, which is an $8,000 package. But let's hop in the exterior and just show you guys how the car looks. The exterior is a Alpine white, and it's a perfect match with the interior, the Aragon brown. But it looks amazing. It is a competition, and I just love how it looks. It's gonna start looking crazy, but we got some crazy stuff coming for this M5, and you guys could see another $3,000 package, which is the carbon roof. I'm not trying to flex, I'm just telling you guys what the car has. I love it. We got the red M brakes, which I love that too. If you guys watched my previous video, we just did the tints, and we did the we basically changed it to other OEM rims, which I'm gonna leave a picture on the screen of how the car used to look with those old rims. It literally made it look like not even a real M5, but these rims are perfect. They're another OEM set, and maybe we'll just rock these till we get some aftermarket ones. But I love it. Let me close these two windows so you guys can see how the tint looks, because the windshield, it's dark, but it's not that dark. Let me just close the windows, it'll be even more darker. All right, so we close the windows. Now take a look at this. We did 5% on all the windows and the rear windshield, and we did 15 on the front windshield, because you got to be able to see a little bit at night. But listen guys, subscribe and stay tuned, because we got a whole bunch of crazy stuff coming for the M5, mods, all bunch of crazy shit. Subscribe with post notifications on, because we do not miss out on a video to see this crazy M5. And down below if you guys have any more questions or anything you guys want to see with the M5 or anything about me, I'm more than happy to make a video on it. But we're just gonna be showcasing my lifestyle with the cars. And yes, I still do have the Camry for those that are wondering. We'll probably make some content on that as well. I mean, it's still modded out pretty good, but right now we're focusing on this car because I love it, and I've been driving this car more than the Camry honestly recently. But going to the gym in this car or going anywhere in this car is just perfect. It's amazing. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below of the M5. If you like the spec, it is fully loaded, and I did mention we're going to be putting a body kit on it, but I forgot to say we are wrapping this car. I'm not going to tell you the color, but it's satin something. If you can guess what it is, which most of you will, because most M's have this color, but we're going to be wrapping this car satin something. Guess in the comments, and I just can't wait to see how it looks with the side skirts, front lip, all that good stuff. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I love you all.